Subscribe to get smart and to watch the latest video first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. The 10th generation Honda Civic introduces a new design language as well as a range of cleaner, more powerful and more efficient engines. Honda Civic 2018 is a front-engine, front-wheel drive, subcompact sedan also known as Civic X. The Honda Civic 2018 is available in two variants, 1.8-liter and 1.8-liter, VTI, Oriel. Honda Civic 2018 exterior specifications include a brand new and more aggressive design language. Honda Civic 2018 front end houses sleek hides with integrated LED daytime running lights, a trapezium grille integrated into the design of the headlights with chrome accents and triple air intakes. Honda Civic sloping rear end houses aggressively designed angular C-shaped side-swept taillights. Options include modulo kit, door edge guards and door visors. Engine. The 10th generation Honda Civic is offered with a selection of two engines, 1.5-liter DOHC 16-valve Earth Dream Technology engine, 1.8-liter SOC 16-valve engine. Honda halted the production of 1.5-liter engine due to some engine malfunctioning, but it is expected that Honda will resume the production in 2018 colors. The Honda Civic 2018 is offered in a choice of 7 colors: Urban Titanium, Brilliant Blue Metallic, Crystal Black, Lunar Silver Metallic, Rally Red, Taffeta White and Modern Steel Metallic. Ride comfort. The Civic rides like a bigger, more refined car. As in a German car, you feel road imperfections, but impacts are very well damped. Big undulations, especially mid-corner, are handled and betray not one iota of float. The coupe feels fractionally firmer and sportier. The Honda Civic 2018 interior comprises of black and polished silver plastic trim pieces. Honda Civic front and rear seats trims are available in a combination of black, gray and ivory fabric. Standard features include automatic climate control, 12-volt power outlet, 4-speaker, 160-watt audio system, 5.0-inch multi-information display, traction control, electronic stability control, power door mirrors, push-button start and keyless entry. Options include leather seats, cruise control and navigation. Climate control. The dual-zone automatic climate control does a good job of regulating the temperature with even coverage from the vents. You'll have to occasionally adjust the setting between sunny and cloudy conditions, but only by a few degrees. Full manual control requires interacting with the touch screen. The Civic offers many more active safety features by way of the optional Honda sensing system. It includes forward collision warning, lane departure warning, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Honda Lane Watch, a blind spot monitoring system, is also available. The 2018 Civic comes standard with a decent amount of features: a rear-view camera, Bluetooth, a 5-inch display screen, and a USB port. Available features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, HD radio, an upgraded audio system, a 7-inch touchscreen, an additional USB port, a navigation system, dual-zone climate control, push-button start, and a moonroof. The Civic's optional infotainment system has touchy controls that can be frustrating to operate while driving. Luckily, there are audio controls on the steering wheel and redundant knobs and buttons on the control panel for adjusting climate settings. Seating: the Civic seats 5 on standard cloth upholstery, leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, and power-adjustable front seats are available. The front row seats offer plenty of room for the driver and passenger. The rear seat's headroom might be too snug for taller passengers, but it should accommodate most riders. Both rows of seats are comfortable and supportive. Cargo space: the sedan's 15.1 cubic foot trunk is larger than those of most competitors. The low lift-over height makes for easy loading and unloading. The hatchback offers 25.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats and a maximum of 36.2 cubic feet, though the sloping rear window can get in the way of bulky cargo. Quality construction is tight and solid inside and out, so even though there's quite a bit of plastic around the cabin, everything feels well built. On higher trims, a number of surfaces, especially major touchpoints, are covered in higher quality materials, which elevate the interior feel. Visibility: there's good visibility out the front and side windows, thanks in part to front pillars that aren't too thick. The sloping roof impinges on the rear three-quarter view, but large side mirrors, a rear-view camera, and Honda's Lane Watch camera take the guesswork out of almost all maneuvers. Roominess: the Civic is spacious up front, offering plenty of headroom even with the sunroof. In the back, a 6-foot-tall rear passenger will have sufficient legroom behind a light-heighted driver, but will wish for more headroom. Highs: fun to drive, strong turbocharged engine, comfortable ride. Lows: wonky infotainment system, manual transmission limited to lower trims. Verdict: the Civic isn't perfect, but it's great where it counts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.